guys, today we're going to be making banana muffin bread. But before you watch this video, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification, and give this video a big thumbs up. Hi, today we're going to be making banana muffin bread. Well, muffins. So you're going to need the powder. You're going to need oil. Doesn't matter what oil. The box, and we already have water in here. 1 cup of water. Wait, let's see, actually, yeah, 1 cup of water. You're gonna need 2 eggs, out of them, and then 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, now I'm gonna cut the batter. Oh, and I'm using coconut oil because it's healthier than olive oil, vegetable oil. Okay, now I'm just going to pour this in. Okay. Smells good. Okay, eggs. If you don't know how to crack eggs, then you can get a parent to help you. I know how to crack eggs. Yummy eggs. Oh. I wash the tips of my fingers. Now it's time for water. Now it's time for oil. My mom helped me with the first one, so here's the second one. Now we're gonna put this to the side, and then we need to stir. Okay, now we need to stir it all up. Make sure you get everything mixed in together. See the egg, it's spreading. You want it to spread around. It's kind of yellow. We'll be back once we kind of stir it up. Okay, I've done one, so I need to do the others. Be real quick. Now we're gonna stick it in the oven for 300, the heat is gonna be 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna wait 25 minutes or 20. And so I'm gonna get my baking gloves on so I can stick it in the oven, and we'll be back when we stick it in the oven. We're sticking it in the oven. Be careful, and you probably have a parent to help you. And now I'm gonna clean up. Now let's take this to the side. Now we need to take these out. Ooh, they grew. Let's put them over here. Now let's close. Okay, it's time to poke them again. We got them out. They might be cooked. I don't know about this one. Cooked. One's cooked. I'll let you know how they taste later. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and give this video a big thumbs up.